Hello! Let's learn some colors. Purple color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color, dark blue color, yellow color, red color, pink color, brown color, light green color, dark green color, black color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Red color. A for avocado. Dark blue color. B for blueberry. Orange color. C for cherry. Violet color. D for dragon. Yellow color. E for egg. Sky blue color. F for flowers. Purple color. G for grapes. Brown color. H for hat. Light green color. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for juice. Dark green color. K for kite. Yellow color. L for lemon. Orange color. M for mother. Brown color. N for net. Red color. O for ox. Dark blue color. P for parrot. Pink color. Q for queen, light green color R. R for rainbow. Sky blue color S. S for sky. Violet color T. T for tree. Orange color U. U for uniform. Purple color V. V for van. Red color W. W for watermelon. Sky blue color X. X for X-ray. Dark blue color Y. Y for yak. Orange color Z. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye-bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Brown color, orange color, purple color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, violet color, pink color, dark blue color, dark green color, light green color, black color. Let's learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15. A red color, number 1, number 1. Violet color, number 2, number 2. Light green color, number 3, number 3. Dark green color, number 4, number 4. Pink color, number 5, number 5. Sky blue color, number 6, number 6. Black color, number 7, number 7. Orange color, number 8, number 8. Yellow color, number 9, number 9. Purple color. Number 10. Number 10. Dark blue color. Number 11. Number 11. Violet color. Number 12. Number 12. Yellow color. Number 13. Number 13. Orange color. Number 14. Number 14. Dark blue color. Number 15. Number 15. Let's count the number again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.